Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cocktails at home without alcohol. Let's dive into the exciting world of mocktails, where flavor and creativity take center stage. You'll discover how easy it is to craft sophisticated and refreshing drinks using everyday ingredients. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your new mixology skills, all without a drop of alcohol. To start, gather your essential ingredients. Think fresh fruits like berries and citrus, aromatic herbs such as mint and basil, and warming spices. Sparkling water, tonic, or even non-alcoholic spirits form your base. Don't forget sweeteners like simple syrup, agave nectar, or a touch of honey to balance your flavors perfectly. These components are the building blocks of fantastic mocktails. Now let's talk techniques. Muddling fresh ingredients like mint or lime wedges releases their essential oils and flavors. Shaking with ice chills and combines your liquids beautifully, while stirring is perfect for clear, spirit-free concoctions. Experiment with layering different densities of liquids to create stunning visual effects. These simple steps elevate your mocktail game significantly. Finally, presentation is key. A beautiful garnish like a citrus twist, a sprig of rosemary, or edible flowers adds a professional touch. Choose appropriate glassware. A tall highball or an elegant coupe glass makes a difference. And of course, plenty of ice, whether cubed or crushed, ensures your alcohol-free cocktail is perfectly chilled and refreshing. Enjoy your delicious creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.